Welcome to our roundup of the best indoor propane heater options. Whether you're trying to stay warm during a power outage, heat up a garage or workshop, or simply add reliable warmth to a large indoor space, we've selected top-rated propane heaters that combine safety, performance, and efficiency. We'll break down each model's key specs like heating capacity, safety features, portability, fuel efficiency, and design, so you can find the perfect heater for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal indoor propane heater for you. The first on the list is the Roosevelton Propane Heater Indoor and Outdoor. The Roosevelton heater is built for people who want powerful heating in a compact and portable form. With 18,000 BTU heating power, built-in oxygen depletion sensor, and tip-over safety shutoff, this heater focuses heavily on both warmth and safety. It's designed to work efficiently in indoor spaces like garages, cabins, workshops, and even emergency situations during power outages. Despite its small size, it can heat spaces up to 450 square feet quickly and evenly, making it a dependable solution for medium-sized rooms. This heater runs on standard propane cylinders and features an easy-to-use control knob that allows you to adjust the flame intensity according to your comfort level. The ceramic radiant heating technology ensures that warmth spreads evenly without creating dry or uncomfortable air. One of the standout aspects of this model is how quietly it operates, which makes it suitable for indoor use without causing disturbance. Portability is another strong point. The lightweight build and convenient carry handle make it easy to move from one room to another. It does not require electricity, which means it continues to function even during blackouts. The sturdy metal construction adds durability, while the compact design allows for easy storage when not in use. Overall, the Roosevelton propane heater is an excellent choice for users who want reliable indoor heat, strong safety protection, and easy portability without complicated setup. Next up is the Commercial Heat 9000 BTU Portable Propane Heater. The Commercial Heat propane heater is ideal for those who need efficient heating in smaller indoor spaces. Featuring 9,000 BTU output, piezo ignition system, and automatic low oxygen shutoff, this heater provides dependable warmth with minimal effort. It's designed for indoor safety while still delivering enough heat to warm up rooms up to 200 square feet comfortably. This model stands out for its simplicity. The push-button ignition eliminates the need for matches or lighters, and the adjustable heat control lets you fine-tune the temperature easily. It connects directly to small propane canisters, making it highly portable and convenient for personal spaces like tents, small rooms, or emergency backup heating. The compact and lightweight structure makes it one of the easiest heaters to carry around. Despite its size, it produces steady, radiant heat that warms people and objects rather than just the surrounding air, which helps retain warmth longer. It also runs quietly, making it suitable for indoor environments where noise can be a concern. Safety is well addressed here, with a built-in sensor that shuts the heater off if oxygen levels drop too low. The sturdy base design prevents accidental tipping, and the durable outer casing protects the internal components for long-term use. Overall, this heater is perfect for users who want a small, efficient, and highly portable indoor propane heater that is simple to operate and safe to use. Next, we have the Propane Heating Liquid Propane Heater. The Propane heater is designed for users who need consistent and powerful heating for larger indoor areas. With 30,000 BTU heating capacity, thermostat control system, and vent-free design, this heater provides strong performance while remaining highly energy efficient. It's capable of heating rooms up to 1,000 square feet, making it suitable for living rooms, garages, basements, and cabins. One of the biggest advantages of this model is the built-in thermostat, which automatically maintains your desired temperature without constant adjustments. This not only improves comfort, but also saves fuel by preventing overheating. The vent-free technology allows for easy installation without the need for external ducting, which is ideal for indoor use. The heater uses blue flame technology to distribute heat evenly throughout the room, similar to how a central heating system works. This ensures that warmth reaches every corner, rather than staying concentrated in one spot. Overall, the Propane heater is a strong option for those who want whole-room heating, thermostat control, and efficient indoor performance. Next, we have the Mr. Heater Original 450-degree 45,000 BTU propane heater. This heater is built for serious heating needs and large spaces. Equipped with 45,000 BTU output, 540-degree radiant heat coverage, and triple safety shutoff system, this model is designed to warm up very large indoor areas quickly and efficiently. It can heat spaces up to 1,200 square feet, making it perfect for garages, workshops, barns, and large rooms. The unique 540-degree heating design spreads warmth in all directions, unlike traditional heaters that only heat forward. This ensures faster and more even heating across a wide area. It connects to larger propane tanks, allowing longer operating times without frequent refills. Despite its power, the heater remains portable with a sturdy handle and stable base. The controls are straightforward and ignition is simple, allowing you to start heating quickly. It does not rely on electricity, which makes it highly reliable during emergencies. Safety is a major highlight here. It includes tip-over protection, low oxygen shutoff, and thermoelectric safety valve to prevent gas leaks. The rugged build ensures it can handle tough environments while continuing to deliver consistent heat. Overall, the Mr. Heater Original is ideal for users who need maximum heating coverage, powerful performance, and dependable safety in large indoor spaces. The last one on our list is the Gasland MHA-18BN Propane Radiant Heater. The Gasland MHA-18BN offers a great balance between power, portability, and indoor safety. With 18,000 BTU radiant heating, oxygen depletion sensor, and foldable compact design, this heater is well suited for indoor environments like garages, cabins, and workshops, and can comfortably heat areas up to 450 square feet with steady and consistent warmth. The radiant heating method ensures that heat is directed towards people and objects rather than being lost in the air, which makes the heater more fuel efficient and effective in enclosed spaces. It also features an easy ignition system and adjustable heat settings, allowing you to customize comfort levels. One of the most convenient aspects of this model is its foldable design, which makes storage and transport extremely easy. The sturdy frame and stable base add durability and safety, while the lightweight build allows you to carry it anywhere without hassle. Like the others, this heater includes built-in safety systems that automatically shut it off if oxygen levels drop or if the unit tips over. It operates quietly and does not require electricity, making it reliable in any situation. Overall, the Gasland MHA-18BN is a practical and efficient propane heater for users who want dependable indoor warmth in a compact and portable package. So that's it for the best indoor propane heaters you can rely on for safe and effective heating. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay warm and stay connected.